guys, it's Oliver and welcome back to the Slime Lab and the happy side of YouTube. I know that is JSH DIY's thing to say, but I said it because we are recreating some of JSH DIY's water slimes. Let's get on with this slime video. But first, here are the Notification Squad shoutouts for this week. They go out to Crafty Girl, Minutes with Maddie, and Tavia Slimes. Thank you guys for watching my videos and commenting. For the first slime, you are going to be needing a bowl. It doesn't matter what type of bowl, and you will need some dish soap. Then pour that into your bowl as much as you want. You can add some food coloring. I'm using Slime by Maddie Ray's Royal Blue food coloring. So then, if you add your food coloring, you can stir it up into the dish soap. Next, what you're going to want to do is add your salt. Just add a little bit at a time, and then stir it up until you get the consistency that you want. As soon as I added my first spoonful of salt, I could see that it was thickening up and becoming like a jelly putty thing that you would get at like a store and come in one of those little tubes. But I wanted to see what would happen if I added some more salt to see if it would become more slime-like, so I did. So I would say after finishing this recipe, it is sort of like slime, but I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 because it does not stretch. It's only like a jelly consistency, but that's okay. So I give this about like a 7 out of 10. So for the next slime, what you're going to want to do is add some Model Magic to your bowl. Then what you're going to want to do is add a little bit of your water. Then you're just going to want to mix that in with the Model Magic. So this is the slime after the water was added. I would say this was a success. You can play with this just like real butter slime, and it's just so nice. So I definitely recommend you try out this one rather than the other one. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching this slime video, this no glue, clear slime, water slime, butter slime video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment down below some more video ideas. And definitely don't forget to subscribe down below also so you can never miss another one of my awesome videos. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget I'm going to Slime Bash and my shop is currently restocked. Sorry for no restock this weekend. There will be another restock next weekend. And face reveal, it's also coming out next weekend. I'm scheduling it early because I just feel like you guys deserve it right now because you are the best internet fam ever. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching and bye!